Stocks crash as Trump threatens to fire Powell. Dollar hits 3-year low. Stocks took a beating on Monday as investors grappled with mounting tariff uncertainty and President Trump's relentless attacks on Fed Chair Jerome Powell. The Dow plunged 972 points, the S&P 500 slid 2.36%, and the Nasdaq tumbled 2.55%. All three benchmarks on track for their worst month since 2022. Almost every component in the Dow and S&P closed in the red, and the sell-off only eased slightly by afternoon. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar fell over 1%, sinking to its weakest level in more than 3 years against a basket of 6 major currencies. Safe haven flows into gold sent prices soaring past $3,400 an ounce, up more than 30% year-to-date, as confidence in U.S. policy wavered. What's driving the turmoil? Last Thursday, Trump publicly blasted Powell for failing to cut rates, calling him a major loser on social media and warning that termination cannot come fast enough. White House economic advisors are even exploring legal paths to remove the Fed chair, an unprecedented move that threatens central bank independence and rattles global markets. Analysts warn that the showdown over monetary policy, paired with stalled trade talks, especially the failed U.S Japan negotiations, could drag on well into July. With tariffs at the forefront and no deal in sight, investors are on edge. Treasury yields jumped, with the 10-year note topping 4.4%, as bond markets brace for further volatility. Looking ahead, the Fed's May meeting is next on the calendar, and nearly 9 in 10 traders expect rates to hold steady. Corporate America will also test the waters this week with Q1 earnings from Tesla, which fell nearly 6% on Monday, and Alphabet, down over 2%. CEO's guidance will be under the microscope as tariff fears collide with profit forecasts. Drop a comment on where you think markets head next, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly outlooks you can't afford to miss.